Hello, everyone. Welcome today on Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, June the 1st. Yes, June the 1st, first day in the month of June 2022. We have here three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the Killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku Mix, Binary, and a medium Sudoku. And we have also here in this newspaper an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the Sudoku with 2 stars, the 3 stars, tectonic with 4 stars, binary puzzle, and the tectonic with 1 star. And those puzzles I'm not interested. So total of 6 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Half of them I will solve. 3 puzzles I will do. And also these 3 regular puzzles. But first, we will solve this binary. Well, news of today. Well, we are counting almost 100 days. Well, this is war day number 98. Yes, 2 more days and it will be 100 days. All right, but first this binary number 4633. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. It's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 5 ones and 5 O's. All right, so let's get started. Double one here no dano. Double one here. Double one here no dano. Double one here no dano. Double O here one there one. Double one here no dano. Double one here no dano. Double one here no dano. Double O here one there one. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O, double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1. Between 2 ones comes in O, double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So the fifth should be in the middle. If I place the 1 here, these 2 boxes should be an O, these 2 boxes should be also an O. Yeah, definitely here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. All right. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O, double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1, double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5. Okay. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. I'm stuck. 1, 2, 3, 4. No. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I place number 5 here, we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this cannot be an O. 1. This should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. If I place number 5 there, the 5th O, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be an O. This should be a 1. If I place the 5th O there, then we still have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be an O. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5, the fifth O. Okay. Let me think. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, then we have 4 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. If I place the fifth O here, then we still have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Now we have the fifth O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the rest are ones. Double 1 here, no, there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Between two O's comes in 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1. Let me. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes in O. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, finish in 6 minutes. All right, great binary, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 regular puzzles. Medium Sudoku we have, and a killer Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.